Hey guys, it's me, 7am Kid Killer, and today it's Saturday, and I'm pretty excited because, as you can see, I got a little update up here. Just Purple Thunder. That's pretty cool. But I'm pretty excited. Why? Because I got something in my hands that I didn't know I was gonna get. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Mountain Dew Overdrive. Yeah, Mountain Dew Overdrive. Now, this is a weird, strange flavor, I think, because I want to say there has been a trademark for this, and it came out about almost 2 years ago or a year ago. I can't really remember. I forgot, but that's okay. That's okay. But I heard more updates about this. I want to say the Do Drink a Discord around like maybe April time, in the April time of this year. In June, Mountain Dew Overdrive was released at Casey's gas station. Casey's gas station is a gas station that you can find in the Midwestern area. And it's a funny story on how I got this. So I'll explain. A fellow YouTuber that loves Mountain Dew, hardcore Mountain Dew fan, and please, if you guys can, watch her videos because she has very good Mountain Dew info. Lemon Parade, you're awesome. You're freaking awesome. Thanks for the overdrive. You're pretty awesome. And what is Mountain Dew Overdrive for everyone out there that wants to figure this out? So let me show you what this is, because a lot of people are going to be like, oh, yo, can you show us? Yeah. So this guy looks like a bear. Maybe he's a bear. I'm gonna call him Dew Bear. He's a Dew Bear. And there's you can see those ponds, those weird looking things that have that's on the grass. I don't know what that is, but you can see that on there. Then you see maybe the surfboard. There's I want to say that looks like a lime, a berry of some sort. The Mountain Dew logo, obviously, Overdrive, and Dew with a blast of citrus punch flavor with other natural flavors. You're not Mountain Dew Cyclone. I know you're not. Because I know 2 flavors that have this same description. I really do. 2 of them. Originally was Sangria Blast. And of course, Cyclone. Why are you Citrus Blast though? I have no idea. But you are not close to Cyclone. So that's the funny part, because if you was, you would be dark red. But yeah. It's not bad though. I like the design because, there's your berry, there's your mango? Looks like a mango of some sort. Of course you got the lime again. And then you have this duck. What is this? A duck beaver? Yo, that's dope. And there's a crazy fish. I like that. And looks like a fire thingy right here. Whatever that is. Looks like a boat. Like one of those jet ski boats. I don't know. Also, 270 calories for people out there that want to know about the calorie intakes. Because I know there's some people out there that like to know about that stuff. There's 85% milligrams of sodium. 73 sugar calorie intakes. Now caffeine. I know there's a bunch of people out there that worry about caffeine. 91 milligrams. Whoa. That's a lot. And this is the back of it, too. Of what it looks like. Yeah. It's a long story on how my best friend got this. But I'm super excited. So, thank you so much. Now, we're going to get into this flavor and see what's the hype behind this overdrive. Because a lot of people in Do Drink a Discord talk about it. Let's see. Okay. Well, at first, just by one sniff of it, I didn't smell kind of anything. And then I'm now smelling it again the second time, and I'm smelling something. It smells like a little bit like, I'm just going to assume it smells a tiny bit like Livewire. And maybe a little bit of Southern Shock. And a little bit of Typhoon. I don't I don't smell Cyclone. But let's taste it anyway, right? All you Overdrive fans, this one's for you. Cheers. Whoa. Okay. That aftertaste, though. Yo, I don't taste any citrus punch in this. You know what I taste? I taste more mango. Like, the aftertaste is mango. Lime I can get. I get the lime part too. I can get the the berry taste. But Mountain Dew. I think you need to actually rename your description here on this flavor, because this is nowhere close to citrus punch. But I'll tell you this though, it's good. It's really, really good. I'll give you that. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I like it. It's really, really good. Now, what's the rating on this thing? I'll give it a 9 out of a 10. I always do that with flavors that I like. You're never gonna see me put down a flavor unless if it's, sorry for you zero sugar fans out there. Sorry, but that's the only time I'll put it down. But I'm brutally honest when I tell you I don't drink drinks. But with this, I want to ask you guys, does this taste like Mango Gem to you? Because it tastes like that a tiny bit to me. But a couple of Dew fans out there say that it doesn't. But if you guys out there have already tried this, which I bet you guys did, but if you didn't, go out and get this at Casey's General Store gas station. Really, really good. Or get it on eBay. But don't get scout priced. Or get it on Dew Drinker Discord, which they have it for a good price also. Or the Mountain Dew Fan Club on Facebook. You guys can get a better deal on that. But yeah. Does this taste like Mango Gem? Because the aftertaste kind of does to me. That's just to me. But it kind of tastes a little bit like Mango Gem and kind of like Sun and Shock. So it's kind of like an in-between for me. Like which one do I choose? You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's not bad. Not bad. I recommend you guys getting this, like, literally. Like, it's good. I guess that's the end of the video, guys. It's not that bad. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and, enjoy. And, yeah. Overdrive. Overdrive's good. Go get yourself some. Peace.